Well, while the immigration debate plays out nationwide, the debate over an ICE detention facility is consuming Leavenworth and many of its residents.
One thing worth noting, the legal battle here isn't about immigration or even ICE. Instead, it's about a permit. KSHP 41 has followed this story for months now. CoreCivic operates the facility and says the building never closed and claims it doesn't need a special use permit. But the city says not so fast, saying the facility has not operated since 2021. That's why it wants CoreCivic to apply for the permit.
KSHP 41 News reporter Rachel Henderson was in court today and heard the voices of residents and lawyers on both sides of this legal battle.
On Wednesday, CoreCivic asked a judge to undo parts of a ruling he made last month that required the private prison company to have a special use permit before opening. Now, the judge says he's taking all the arguments under review. The usual parties in this case,
I'm just going to repeat this from the first hearing we had,
weren't the only ones heard Wednesday morning.
I speak from the truth and I speak from pain.
About 50 people showed up before Wednesday's hearing to oppose CoreCivic wanting to open an ICE detention center in Leavenworth. The rally included some familiar faces, like Marcia Leverings, a former CoreCivic employee I've spoken to before.
While I was employed there, I was brutally attacked by an inmate and stabbed 4 times.
On the inside, both parties made familiar arguments.
The city's conduct violates intergovernmental immunity by interfering with and impermissibly regulating the federal government's operations.
Judge John J. Bryant's most recent ruling temporarily blocks CoreCivic from reopening without a special use permit. CoreCivic asked the judge Wednesday to allow them to open the facility.
CoreCivic has a contract with ICE.
We understand that they want to begin operating imminently, and our position is just going to be that you need a special use permit in order to do that.
The judge has given both parties a week to give their opinion on consolidating the 2 cases and pausing the legal process until the Court of Appeals makes a decision. Meanwhile, the Court of Public Opinion is loud and clear.
Today we say clearly, not here, not now, and not ever.
Rachel Henderson, KSHP 41 News.
And since the last hearing in July, CoreCivic filed a separate lawsuit that the same judge is overseeing. CoreCivic says it also intends to appeal the city's lawsuit in the Kansas Court of Appeals.